Hi everyone, I created a web application that lets you purchase Korean goods. So let's create an account called Poppy at example.com. I don't know, Poppyland with a bizarre postcode number. Okay, building number 2. Password, I'm just gonna do 127. Not very secure. And let's sign in because if you go to the categories, it doesn't let you. Poppy at example.com, and it was 127. So these 4 category pages we see over here, they're basically a display of all the grid of products in each category, basically. So I'm just going to do a bit of shopping. Okay, these are all quite delicious, like pre-packaged meals, and both pork cutlets. And the drinks are just here. So if we go to the shopping cart, we have the option to delete it off the list entirely or update the quantity to say like 4. If we proceed to payment, we are able to make this payment because users have about $1,000 of cash balance when they register. This redirects to the history of orders, where if Poppy wants to, could check it out instead of having to go through the shopping cart, payment, etc. So what if admins want to add in a new product? First, we gotta sign out and then go to the admins page, type in an admin code that is 125. This redirects us to the portfolio of products, basically the entire list. And it's also sorted based into their food categories. And if we were to add a product, this is what happens. So say the product name is, I don't know, JJ Milk. Price is, let me delete that, JJ Milk. The price is, say, 3,001. Quantity, 750 ml. Yep. And if we register that, and we go back to our portfolio of products, we see that, let's go to the drinks. It's right here, and that would have popped up on the grid of images we saw earlier. So making this project took a little longer than a week, pulling up all-nighters, but this was a challenge, and I'm glad I could share this outcome with you. So good luck to CS50 students in the future.